Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the basics that matter. Confirm your iPhone is updated and pick a home screen page with room. Once done, press and hold an empty area until icons jiggle. Make sure the widgets you want are already added to a screen or to the widget gallery. You're preparing both the canvas and the pieces. This saves time and avoids redundant steps. Now locate the first widget you'll use and get ready to drag it. That's your first actionable move. You'll combine widgets by dragging one directly onto another. iOS automatically creates a stack. Next, drop additional widgets into that stack to add more screens. Once the stack exists, tap it while still in jiggle mode to open Edit Stack. From there, you can reorder items by dragging, remove unwanted widgets with the minus button, and toggle Smart Rotate on or off so the system suggests useful widgets automatically. You're finishing up. Tap Done or press the home area to exit jiggle mode and lock the Smart Stack in place. If the stack doesn't rotate as expected, open Edit Stack and confirm Smart Rotate is enabled. If that doesn't work, toggle it off then on or restart your iPhone. As a last resort, remove the stack and recreate it. Corruption is rare, but rebuilding clears persistent glitches. Keep the stack size and widget types simple for best performance and predictable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.